Rebound by Regino. Pass the ball.
Ulas.
Dastas to Besigan. 14 to shoot. Bauyon. No good. Rebound by Sumayo. 48-29 ang ating score. Still right there. Besigan to Dastas. Dastas ang atake. Sablay. Rebound by Manalo. Sumayo looking for his teammate. Castañares, extra pass. Consigna rejected. Another try, wala. De Los Reyes grabs the board. Basket by number 2. 50-29. Manalo. Basket with a floater. 50-31. 8 minutes remaining sa ating third period. Dastas, wala. Bola ng Villagers, Lower Village. 50-31. Number 13, tight guarded, and a whistle. Call number 16. Two shots for Consigna. Sablay ang unang pukol. Second throw. Basket. Split Charity. 50-32. 7 minutes and 15. Besigan. Swing the ball to Sobremonte. 14 to shoot. Balik kay Besigan to De Los Reyes from the right wing. Sablay. Tapikan bola na ko ni Dastas. Shot clock at 10. 5 to shoot. Rebound number 13. To Regino. Pass for replay. Intercepted by De Los Reyes. Substitution. Bauyon out. Villafranca in. 6 minutes and 30. Backdoor play. Basket by number 13. 50-34. Besigan to Villafranca. Balik kay Besigan. Shot clock 14. And there's a whistle. Foul number 6. Substitution. Second foul of Villafranca. Anim na minuto. Castañares, and there's a whistle. Foul number 10, De Los Reyes. 3 team fouls, Legends. Manalo, Tubandoho, Sablay, Rebound by number 6, here's Dastas. Pass the ball to Pisigan. Sablay. Basket by Sobremonte. 52-34. 5 minutes and 20. Number 13, posting up and a steal right there. Here's Dastas. 3-on-2 situation. Dastas to Pisigan. Basket. 5 minutes exactly. Foul. Number 6, substitution. Pasok na po. Number 6, tatlo. 2 shots para kay Sumayo. Basket ang unang pukol. Second throw. Basket again, 2 for 2. 54-36. 4 minutes 50. Zacarias to Pisigan. Pisigan looking for his teammate sa gilid. No good. Rebound by Zacarias. And a whistle. Foul. Number 55, Castañares.
Open ka na, tingnan mo na yun. Isa. 1 point.
2 shots.
Isa.
Basket.
Laro ka lang matras. Uli sana katanggap na.
Second try. Basket again, 2 for 2. 56-36, 4 minutes 20. Bandoho to Sumayo. No good. And a rebound secured by number 10. Apat na minuto. Pisigan. Shot clock down to 12. De Los Reyes. No good. Rebound by Sobremonte with a putback basket. 58-36. 3 minutes 40. Sumayo. And a whistle. Number 16, Sobremonte called for the foul. 2 shots for Sumayo. Legends under penalty. Basket ang una. No good. 3 minutes 28. Sobremonte. Cross-court pass to Pisigan. To De Los Reyes. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Sablay, put back, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 13. Ball intercepted by Zacarias. 3 minuto. Sobremonte, basket. 60-37. 2 minutes and 45. Manalo with the ball. Floater shot, basket. 60-39. Pisigan, waiting for his teammate. 14 to shoot, 2 minutes and 15. 10 to shoot. Pisigan, Sablay, rebound by Castañares. To Manalo. Pass the ball to Bandoho. Here's Bandoho. Sablay. Bandoho again, basket. 60-41, 1 minute and 50. Umatake si De Los Reyes, reverse shot, wala. Substitution. 1 minute 37. Bandoho, pass the ball. Sumayo. No good. Number 13. Basket for the second chance point. 60-43, 1 minute 20. Zacarias, swing the ball. Makiling. Basket. 62-43. 1 minute remaining sa ating third period. Bandoho. To Castañares. No good. 50 seconds. Zacarias. Atake. Basket. 40 seconds. Ball tap. Number 13. 30 seconds, 15 on the shot clock. Basket by number 9. Shot clock off, 20 seconds. 15. 10. 3 points. 5 seconds. And final period. Bola ng Lower Village. Sumayo. Pull up J. Air ball. Dastas slowly bring down the ladder. Block on the side of Legends. Plata. Pass to his teammate from the left wing Sablay. Maranan. There's a line call. Here's Dastas. Lumusot sa dalawang bantay. Dastas. Bola nakuha ni Samson. From the corner. Samson wala. Nakuha ni Manalo. Manalo. 4-on-2 situation. Maranan. Basket. 67-47. Dastas to Bisigan. Here's Sablay. Plata sa gilid. Cross-court pass. Dastas. No good. Rebound by Samson. To Dastas again. Another try. Dastas wala. There's a whistle. Tumama na. Out of bounds na yun. Regino. $15 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Steal. Dastas. To number 2. Tap the ball. Here's Dastas. Long 2 by number 2. 69-47. Maranan to Consigna. Posting up. Sablay. Rebound by Plata. 7 minutes and 30. Plata. Lose control. Nakuha ni Dastas to Sablay. To Plata again. Good ball movement. 71-47. Basket by number 9. 71-49. 7 minutes and 10. Dastas. Samson to Plata. Basket. Timeout, Lower Village. 6 minutes and 47. 73-49. Back to the ball game. Lower Village ball. 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Bandoho. To number 13 in the middle. Samson. To number 2 to the Stas. Plata. Sablay. And a rebound secured by Manalo. To Maranan. To Bandoho. Pull up jumper. Air ball. 6 minutes exactly. Sablay, no good. Samson, put back, basket. Manalo. Lose control, still by Plata. Pass to the Stas, 4-on-1 situation. No look pass, Plata. Rejected. Basket count. Foul by Manalo. Bonus shot para kay Samson. Air ball. Substitution. 5 minutes 25. Pasok po, pasok. Pasok, pasok. Bandoho. Tumaranan. No good, rebound by. And bola ng Legends. Five minutes exactly. Dastas. Dastas pa rin. Pasa sa loob, ngunit wala. Regino to Bandoho. Bandoho to Regino again. No good, rebound by Dastas. De Los Reyes. To Dastas. 14 to shoot. Dastas. Sablay. Put back by Tinamisan. 79-49. Pass break play. Bandoho. Overshoot that one. Here's Dastas. Trying again. Dastas wala. Timeout, Legends. 4 game. Pag dead ball daw, igala mo yung score para makita. 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Rejected, but there's a whistle. Foul. Number 10, De Los Reyes. 2 shots for Sumayo. Sablay. Second throw. Basket split charity, 79.50. 3 minutes and 55. Pesigan. Number 23. 3 points. 82-50. 3 minutes and 40. Manalo. Tubandoho. Another pass to Manalo. No good. Manalo pa rin. Wala. Here's Limbo. Pass to his teammate. Pesigan waiting for his teammates. Shot clock down to 14. Limbo. Sablay. Tap the ball. Lower village ball. Last touch by De Los Reyes. 3 minuto. Bandoho. And a whistle. Foul. Number 2, Pesigan. 2 minutes and 50. Regino. 3 points by Regino. Number 02. 82-53. 2 minutes 40. De Los Reyes, pass to Limbo, sa gitna, wala. Maranan secure the rebound, pass to Manalo. Manalo. And a whistle. Foul number 52. 2 minutes 20. 2 shots para kay Manalo. Warning for penalty, Legends.
Pag basketball, sa dalawa.
Sablay pareho. Ito si Pesigan, pass to Limbo. Limbo, pass the ball. Here's Bauyon, and still right there. Sumayo. Tubandoho. Extra pass to Regino. Sablay. Regino again. Basket. Last 2 minutes. 82-55. Number 23. Pondivina. To Limbo. Sablay. Libombay. Manalo. Ba't hinawakan mo, Mr. Mula? Abot pa yun eh. Substitution. Time out, Legends. Daday pa sana, Mr. Mula. Back to the ball game, 82-55. Bandoho. Guarded by Buhay. Bandoho pa rin. There's a whistle. Call number 24, Buhay. Penalty. 1 minute and 31. 82-55. Basket ang unang pukol ni Bandoho. No good ang pangalawa. Rebound. Number 46. Pass to Buhay. To Limbo. Ball tap. Ball out of bounds. Bola ng lower village. One minute and 15. Bandoho. Floater shot, wala. Bandoho again. And a still right there by Sobremonte. Isang minuto. Limbo. Good ball yan, good ball. Bandoho. Basket. 82-58, 40 seconds.
Okay, 3 points, 3 points.
30 seconds. Shot clock at 15. End of the ball game. 82-58.